Hello everyone, welcome back to this Yoga Mother channel. So in the last video, as you remember, in the last video we have seen about food and drink. So in today's video we will see about fruits and vegetables in Amharic. So what are the words used to name fruits and vegetables in Amharic? So for today we will see about fruits. So let's start. So fruits in Amharic it means frafere. Frafere. So there are at least a lot of fruits in Ethiopia. So let's see one by one for that. So fruits frafere. So the one is apple. In Amharic it means pome. In Amharic apple means pome. And banana, muz. Banana means in Amharic muz. And orange in Amharic it means burtukan. Orange means in Amharic burtukan. And mango in Amharic it means mango. So it is the same pronunciation for mango, papaya. It is the same pronunciation. So mango in Amharic it's also the same mango. And papaya in Amharic it means papaya. It's all the same pronunciation. Papaya. It's also the same pronunciation and so papaya. And pineapple in Amharic means ananas. Pineapple means ananas. And avocado is also the same as avocado, so the same pronunciation. Avocado means avocado. And grapes in Amharic it means wayin. Grapes means in Amharic wayin. And watermelon in Amharic it means habhab. Watermelon in Amharic it is habhab. And the lemon it means in Amharic lomi. Lemon means in Amharic it's lomi. And guava it's also the same pronunciation in Amharic guava. And a peach in Amharic it means coke. Peach means in Amharic coke. And strawberry in Amharic it means injori. Strawberry means in Amharic injori. And coconut and it's also same as coconut. So coconut, the same pronunciation in Amharic, coconut. And sugarcane is also the same as sugarcane. It is shankora agada. And a date means it is tamer. So date. So by the way, this word date. So in Amharic have so a lot of meanings. Like date in Amharic it is like and date in Amharic it's tamer. So based on the fruits types, date means in Amharic tamer. Date means in Amharic tamer. So this is all about today's lesson. So these are I think it's 16 fruit names. So try it to call them and try to use them. And so this is all about today's lesson. Thanks for watching my videos. See you to another video. So in the next video we will see about vegetables means article. So we will see this in the next video. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye.